SMT Nation, we back nation. Bits and pieces of news coming out of Verizon. One is a value play, and it's also part of the, Verizon My Plan Plus Perk, media content, stuff like that, subscriptions. So that'll probably make some of you happy with respect to that value offer. So we got news there, and then we also have some network updates we want to give you to let you know what's going on with the Verizon 5G Ultrawideband network upgrade and modernization execution. So we've got all that for you here in today's video. Thank you for tuning in. Chapters for the video are in the timeline. I'll put them in the description as well in case you guys want to jump between all the different topics in today's video. And then the news articles, they'll be in the description. Also in the description, the real SMT Buy Me a Coffee link. You want to support your creators, show your appreciation for the content, buy us a coffee, link in the description. And of course, there's still time to take advantage of the Mint Mobile deflation promo. Ways to save money, they've got them. All right, normally the unlimited plan costs about $30 a month. Let's give you a 50% discount. How about $15 per month? Just use our promo code mintmobile.com/sneed. That partner link will unlock these savings. You'll get their legendary customer care, that value, and you'll also be helping out the channel. All right, so first bit of news out of Verizon, the Washington Post, now available through the My Plan Plus Play Perk. All right, so way to save on this subscription service. Says here the Washington Post joins over 30 partners on the Plus Play platform with an exclusive offer of 3 months on us. So if you are a Washington Post enthusiast, you like that service, you like that platform, the news that they offer, this is a ways to take advantage of it here. So, when you sign up for the My Plan service with Verizon, which is their new plan setup, and you can kind of include that. It's part of the Plus Play monthly credit perk. All right, so if you find value in that offers a nice inclusion of a digital subscription. So and I don't know if that really matters all that much to everybody out there, but for those that are in the ecosystem, that Plus Play on these Verizon plans, it can offer you something additional in value. All right, next story. Verizon lights up 5G Ultra Wideband across Michigan. All right, that's a state. All right, so mentioned here are the locations. It says Saginaw, Bay City, Holland, Kalamazoo, Jackson, Lansing, Battle Creek, Wayland, Muskegon, Rockford, Benton Harbor, Midland, Owasso, Oscoda, Clare, and Clio have access to the 5G UW network. Okay, guys, let's check out what exactly they did with respect to these upgrades. And it says here that you've got C-band spectrum deployments happening at a pace that's creating some pretty sizable capacity experiences. 100 megahertz of C-band, so that tells you the bandwidth that they're building to. I'm not sure what the potential total bandwidth is when the rest of the C-band clears from satellite, so it could be 140 megahertz, could be 160, 180, 200, I'm not sure. But by the end of the year, that will be live. In fact, I'm hearing by the end of the summer, a lot of the rest of the C-band is going to be cleared. All right, let's see what else they did. I don't see any mention of mmWave, so it sounds like more so the C-band play. And of course, don't forget, when they do these upgrades, they come with 10 gig fiber circuit upgrades, right? So you don't just, put a bunch of spectrum on there. You got to give it fiber, right? The tower sites with high capacity fiber circuits, so 10 times the amount of data. All right, so the folks of these locations get to take advantage of an improved capacitive 5G network, mobile network experience, and then also the fact that they could potentially use the 5G home internet option from Verizon. If you got their wireless service, it's $25. You can get it as cheap as $50, even if you're not a wireless customer, on autopay. So it's worth your considerations, especially if you're fed up with cable's explosive pricing. Maybe T-Mobile home internet hasn't been great for you. You're looking for something to maybe try, beat your DSL or satellite or cable or expensive fiber. It's an option. All right. So, and that's across Michigan, right, folks? These upgrades are happening. Verizon has a very outdated network across many parts of the U.S. that are not major metros, and they got work to do, and it looks like they are doing it. All right, last update for today, Port St. Lucie. These customers are getting the same types of upgrades. This is a city in Florida, and let's see what type of upgrades they are getting. River Park, Verano, St. Lucie West, Lingate Park, Post St. Lucie, RV Resort, and Southwest Gatlin Boulevard around the I-95 shopping area. All right, the spectrum bandwidth and C-band we're seeing is 60 megahertz. Again, expect that to kind of kick up by the end of the year, maybe an additional 100 megahertz or so. And then the fiber links are getting increased by 10x to 10 gig fiber. Same explanation for, Port St. Lucie that we kind of had for that Michigan option. Mobile networking upgrades, fixed wireless access 5G home internet, an option for these folks if they see fit and they're looking for those options. Those are the updates out of Verizon. If you're in these cities, you're in these markets, let me know if you've been seeing the work getting done. Let me know if you have experienced and felt the upgrades as a user. Are you guys thinking about these services now that the network is improving? Go ahead and comment down below. The real ones watching this all the way through. Hashtag Verizon, hashtag 5G. You choose, and then comment down below. You are the voice of the people, the SMT Nation. Let your voice be heard.